In today's video, I will walk you through how to export your dYdX recovery phrase. To begin, access your dYdX account and open the Account Management settings. In this section, you'll find the available options for managing your wallet and its security features. Tap or click Reveal dYdX phrase. Your recovery phrase will appear on the screen. Carefully review each word and make sure you copy the entire phrase exactly as it's displayed. The words must remain in the correct order, since changing even one word or its position can make the recovery phrase unusable. After you've copied the phrase, store it somewhere safe. Many users choose to write it down and keep it in a secure location that only they can access. It's generally recommended to avoid storing your recovery phrase in screenshots, unsecured notes, or any location that could be accessed by someone else. Once everything is finished, close the recovery phrase window and return to your account. From this point forward, your backup is ready if you ever need to recover your wallet in the future. That's all there is to exporting your dYdX recovery phrase.